Should you do a home inspection if you're selling your home prior to putting it on the market? I know there's so much to think about when selling. It's hard to decipher what to or not to do. Hi, my name is Omar Pineda with eXp Realty, and I understand navigating your way through the process of selling your home can seem daunting, along with everything else going on in your life. After all the time you spent preparing your home for sale, why should you worry about a home inspection? Allow me to enlighten you. The home inspection on your home is just as important as your contract offer. Almost every buyer whose contract is accepted will do a home inspection. Even their lender will recommend that they get one. The home inspection is designed to evaluate the general condition of your home and all of its mechanical systems. This inspection can either make or break your deal, so spending a little time on some of these issues before your home goes under contract will save you time and money in the end. Also, knowing what home repairs may come up and the cost to fix them will help give you a better understanding of what your profits will be after costs. Let's look at some major issues that often come up on a home inspection. Number 1, electrical issues. Make sure that all outlets, GFCIs, and switches work and replace any broken outlet covers. Additionally, replace burned out light bulbs to avoid a negative observation like light is inoperable on the report that may suggest an electrical problem. Number 2, water and plumbing. Make sure you don't have any leaky faucets or signs of leaking under your cabinets in the kitchen and bathrooms or on the outside spigots. Number 3, AC systems. Clean or replace dirty HVAC air filters. They should fit securely. Number 4, test smoke and carbon monoxide detectors and replace dead batteries. Number 5, attend to broken or missing items like doorknobs, locks, latches, window panes, screens and locks, gutters, roof tiles, downspouts, and chimney caps. Number 6, think about Section 1 or Section 2 items. These include dry rot. Dry rot often occurs around door frames, on exterior doors, or on the siding of homes. This is common in that they are older and or have a lot of sun exposure, but it can easily be addressed. Also, be sure to remove stored items, debris, and wood from underneath the home in the crawl space. These may be cited as conducive conditions for termites, or they very well may already have termites on them. Also, be sure to trim any tree limbs within 10 feet of the house. Number 7, doors. Make sure that all of your doors open, close, and lock easily. Garage doors must also have working safety features like sensors. Finally, number 8, recaulk around tubs, showers, and countertops in bathrooms and countertops in kitchens. Checking these areas before your home inspection is an investment in selling your property. Your real estate agent will thank you. For any clarification on these items, feel free to call or message me. If you're thinking about selling your home in Williamson or Travis County, I am your real estate expert. And as always, my name is Omar Pineda, and allow me to elevate your lifestyle.